Pinned tags. During your research, most probably you will have multiple tags appearing more often than others. Using the two mentioned ways of tagging on each selection would not be the most efficient solution for very frequently occurring tags. That's why we provide an option to pin tags. A simple click and you're basically done. A pin tag appears on top of your tagging menu. Searching becomes obsolete, so feel free to pin your favorite or at least most frequently used tag to make your life a little easier. Tagging new data becomes even easier with pin tags and you will save a lot of time and worries. Even better, pin tags will be saved so you can use them in other notes during your session too. In addition to that, each pin tag will receive a unique number identifying it. So the numbers allow you to apply tags even faster thanks to a keyboard shortcut. Just select your phrase and tag it by pressing Ctrl and the corresponding number of your tag. In this case, we use Ctrl and 1 to apply the positive tag. This boosts the speed of tagging a lot, especially for your more general tags or coding of answers to certain topics.